In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask a question on Udemy. Whether you're taking a course to learn a new skill, enhance your career, or simply for personal interest, there's bound to be a moment when you might need a bit of extra help or clarification. Don't worry, asking a question on Udemy is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, what you'll want to do is open up your preferred web browser and search for Udemy. Just type Udemy into the search bar, and the website should be one of the top results. Once you find it, go ahead and click on the website link. Once you're on the Udemy homepage, you'll need to log into your account. You have a couple of options here. You can either log in using your password or sign in through single sign-on, commonly referred to as SSO, if your organization provides that option. Just enter your credentials and hit the login button. If you've saved your login details, the process will be even faster. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the course you're currently taking. Navigate to your courses by clicking on your profile and selecting My Courses from the drop-down menu. From here, look for the course where you have a pending question. Clicking on the course will open it, and you should see the course content dashboard right away. As you scroll down the page, you'll notice a variety of sections, including lectures, resources, and more. What you're specifically looking for is the Q&A tab. This section can be incredibly helpful because it not only allows you to ask new questions, but also lets you see if your question has been addressed before by browsing through past questions. This is a good time to familiarize yourself with previously asked questions. Someone else may have had the same query as you. If you find that your question hasn't been asked, or you need further clarification, it's time to post your own question. Just click on the Ask a New Question button. When crafting your question, clarity is key. Make sure to be as specific as possible and provide enough context so instructors or other learners can offer the most accurate assistance. Once you've typed out your question, hit Post, and it will be added to the Q&A section. And there you have it. You've just learned how to ask a question on Udemy. Remember that asking questions is a crucial part of the learning process, so don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. Thank you for tuning in, and happy learning.